Almost 8 million people in our state are fully vaccinated. That's according to the latest data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. But if you thought you were done after the 1 or 2 shots, you could be wrong. Tonight, we're learning there's a good chance those vaccines will stick around. Fox 4's Rochelle Aline explains.
Here's the thing. As much as you're probably sick of hearing about it, experts say COVID-19 is here to stay.
The virus itself isn't going to go away.
Robert Hawks of Florida Gulf Coast University says that's because, unlike diseases like smallpox or polio, COVID is always mutating.
COVID-19, very similar to the influenza virus, is always changing.
And that also means, unlike smallpox and polio vaccines, we'll probably have to keep getting COVID vaccines.
We're trying to figure out how long that durability of protection lasts.
And Hawks says we'll likely be getting those vaccines every year, much like the flu.
Probably next spring is kind of when a lot of these boosters will become available.
While COVID vaccines aren't widely required for adults, will they be required for kids in public schools? Hawks thinks so.
Probably going to be one of the normal standard vaccines. Just like kids get the flu vaccine every year, they're probably going to get the COVID booster.
And it looks like state law backs him up. It requires the State Department of Health to, quote, ensure that all children in this state are immunized against vaccine-preventable diseases. Right now, there are 6 required vaccines for K-12 students in public schools, which cover a wide range of diseases like polio, hepatitis B, measles, mumps, and tetanus. That said, if COVID is being added to that list, it likely won't happen this year as the vaccine is still being studied in children.
By the time we get to the end of this calendar year and the first quarter of 2022, that we will have enough information regarding safety and immunogenicity to be able to vaccinate children of any age.
And I also reached out to the State Department of Health's immunization department to get some more information on what the process is for adding a new vaccine to that required list of immunizations, but I'm still waiting to hear back from them. In Cape Coral, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4.